Hi, thanks for crashing in. I'm Chad.
I'm Ashley.
And welcome to the Exploding Watermelon Fruit Challenge. So here we have a bunch of rubber bands, colorful rubber bands. We like rainbows. And we have our fruit, watermelons. Don't mind the bag. You're not sponsored by Food Max. Watermelons. And what we do for this challenge is that we wrap them with a rubber band and we keep going until they kind of morph and explode. You'll see. You'll see.
Which way are we going? This way?
It doesn't matter. Pick a way. For this, it's a challenge, so whoever makes it explode first wins.
Okay.
All right. Ready, set, go. I'm wet. I want to get some watermelon. It's like summer right now. I wouldn't say the middle of summer. It's actually like the first week of summer right now. And some watermelon would be really nice right about now. Man,
Is that 4?
That's like 5. I put like 5 on there.
We're gonna have to fast forward this.
Oh yeah.
I can't even put 2 on. Jesus.
Ah! the rubber bands are like slingshotting off.
You can only do 1 at a time.
I could do like 5 at a time.
Shut up, you cheater.
It's not cheating if you got the muscles.
I don't have the list. This is gonna take a while.
Yeah, it's gonna take a while. This watermelon is strong fruit. Except it comes nowhere near Russia, so I don't know why I was using Russian accent.
I'm gonna lose.
Ah, shit. Ah, shit. I can't do it. My muscles are not big enough. Do we have enough rubber bands?
Yes, we have a big rubber band ball over there.
I know we have enough rubber bands.
Yes, we do.
This is so hard. Oh my god, 1 rubber band is so easy.
Shit. We're not counting how many, are we?
No, we're not counting how many. God, that would be insane. It's hot. I just want some watermelon.
The easiest way is to go get a knife. This is what it looks like right now. He has a lot more.
And it's still not going anywhere. Ah!
See?
Ah, it's attacking me.
Ah!
The tarp is attacking. Ah! Ow!
It broke on his finger.
Green ones keep snapping on me. Yeah, we should have gotten the big brown ones.
The big brown one.
Stop now. It should be exploding.
Why is it exploding?
I want it all over my face. Explode on my face.
mine.
First, you great beast.
I just ran over it with the car.
Yeah. That'd probably be more entertaining.
You?
Wow.
I didn't hit you.
I got like big old blisters.
From what?
Look at that. Hold on, I'm gonna.
Yeah, show it up close. That's first.
From what? The rubber band?
Yeah. Putting these rubber bands on, I got these big old blisters. I got my pinkies. Ow.
Band-aids for you. In the house.
This is dangerous. I can't use my pinkies.
That's kind of hard.
We're almost out of rubber bands. I knew we should have got more rubber bands. Like I can see mine is actually starting to warp. Like I can see it. It's not breaking. Oh my god, it just doesn't want to go. Just go, damn it. Oh my god, it's just, look at all these rubber bands. Look at all these rubber bands.
Okay, we're gonna put all these on his. Put that down. This is a failure.
Ah, my pinkies.
We didn't have enough rubber bands.
No,
This is not what we planned.
we planned to make this a challenge, but all of a sudden it just turned into, let's just pop one. I love how at the beginning Ashley was like, no, there's no way we're gonna run out of rubber bands. We have a giant rubber band ball.
Good.
I got like freaking like holes in my pinkies now.
Get out. Ow. That hurt. Is it taking forever?
So
It's fine.
nothing happened. Absolutely nothing.
Yeah, it still looks the same.
Like I can see it warping. It's warping. Like it's there. It wants
Look
to
at the
break.
camera when you touch it.
It wants to break. It's there. It's warping. It's it wants to do it. It's just not doing it. Why is this so hard? Gating. It wants to do it. We're out of rubber bands. That's it. It's not possible. Okay, so we ran out of rubber bands. We ran out of rubber bands. This is as much as we could get. There is a little bit of dripping, like it's there, it's warped, it's dripping, it's almost there, but we just don't have any more rubber bands. Like, nowhere. So, I got a bat. I guess I'm gonna have to break it with the bat. Bat? Need watermelon. Watermelon? Need bat.
Woo!
Did he do it? He did it! I was gonna zoom in.
Oh.
Oh my gosh! There's some over there, there's over there, there's some on the camera.
It exploded.
Eat it.
So, that isn't exactly how we planned it, but we got the watermelon to explode. Exploded everywhere. And we have new rubber band ball. Yay! I don't have the time or the patience for this, so I'm
At
just
least
gonna
break it on the side.
bam, bam.
Bam, bam.
Hey, bro.
It broke,
And it's making a ball.
but it didn't break the way I was hoping it would break.
It broke perfectly.
It just kind of sliced it in half. So this is why it's called spaghetti squash, because the insides kind of look like spaghetti.
Kale's video.
Well, there was that. Okay,
That's what squash looks like.
what the inside of the spaghetti squash looks like.
Let's go.
Okay. Well,
You have to go to work.
you have to go to work. Thank you. Where did I go? All right. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos.
That was a failure. We'll do better next time we try this.
We'll have more rubber bands and more time.
Yeah.
So
now we gotta go to work.
yeah.
Yeah.
Hey, at least the watermelon did explode. We did get it to explode
After we hit it with the bat.
after we hit it with the bat. Batty. But yeah, thanks for watching. Thanks for being awesome. And we'll catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.